Silver bullion coins like the American Silver Eagle are minted and guaranteed by the minting nation to be 3 nines or 4 nines fine pure silver. In the case of the ASE, it is a 3 nines fine silver bullion coin or 99.9% pure silver. So why do people pay more over spot for American Silver Eagles? That's a good question. These are some of the more common reasons, in my opinion only, okay? This is my opinion. And if this sounds like you, maybe the American Silver Eagle is a good choice for you. If it doesn't sound like you, congrats. There are a lot of other options out there, and I will cover those, or have already covered them here on this channel. Stackers in the United States choose the American Silver Eagle because it is the most recognized silver coin in our country. Because of that, it is easy to buy, it is easy to sell, and it has the largest marketplace. That's a good thing when holding a tangible asset, especially when it's in demand. Secondly, it is stamped United States of America and 1 ounce fine silver. You may be here watching this video going, but it's uglier than the maple leaf and it's more expensive to buy.
American Silver Eagles command a premium, and as we've seen, this premium is justified. Their purity, legal tender status, and global recognition make them an unmatched asset in your portfolio. However, not all dealers offer the same value. This is why choosing a trusted provider, like Augusta Precious Metals, can make a significant difference in your investment journey. Let's now see why silver enthusiasts hold these coins in such high regard.
These coins are for investors in silver, or what informed investors in physical silver call silver stackers. Silver stackers like myself like to buy and hold physical silver. We do so for a myriad of reasons that often include a method of saving your wealth in a tangible asset that is recognized as money. Silver has been recognized as money for several millennia now, and silver offers high liquidity. It's very easy to sell. Now, maybe you stack, or perhaps you are considering stacking as a method to protect your wealth against long-term dollar inflation. Another reason is to prepare for the potential crash of the dollar or a catastrophe of some kind. It could be, an earthquake or an economic thing. Maybe an EMP goes off and there's no more power. Whatever the case is, if you feel that owning silver is a better option than holding physical cash, well, consider stacking. At a minimum, I would suggest that you diversify some of your savings and stacking outside of your local bank or credit union and hold that in physical silver, gold, and cash.
The passion silver stackers have for American Silver Eagles is well-founded. These coins offer both a hedge against inflation and a reliable store of value. But it's not just about passion. It's about safeguarding your wealth. By diversifying your savings with silver, particularly American Silver Eagles, you're taking a critical step toward financial security. And speaking of security, where and how you store these coins is crucial. Let's explore your options.
And hold that in physical silver, gold, and cash. You have insurance, right? You have insurance for reasons. Maybe it's a requirement. But if you're really looking out for yourself, you probably want personal insurance for any kind of financial reason, and silver, gold, and having some cash outside the bank does offer that. Now, one last thing on the subject of mentality. Mentality is critical when setting and achieving goals, and stacking is a terrific way to be a physical part of your own savings strategy, and you can actually watch it grow and hold it in your hand. Stacking is an encouraging and great way to save wealth over time. Okay, many stackers prefer to buy privately minted silver rounds or bars, as the price over the going spot price of silver at that time of purchase is generally lower than that of silver bullion coins that are government minted. Silver bullion coins like the American Silver Eagle are minted and guaranteed by the minting nation to be 3 nines or 4 nines fine pure silver. In the case of the ASE, it is a 3 nines fine silver bullion coin or 99.9% pure silver. So why do people pay more over spot for American Silver Eagles?
Diversification is the cornerstone of any robust investment strategy, and silver, especially in the form of American Silver Eagles, plays a vital role in this. These coins not only offer a hedge against economic instability, but also enhance your portfolio's overall resilience. But diversification is more than just owning silver. It's about knowing when and how to liquidate your assets. Let's dive into what you need to know about selling these valuable coins.
Anyone charging you sales tax or claiming they have to withhold sales tax on these coins is taking advantage of you. This does not necessarily apply to you. Once more, if you live outside the state of Florida, you've got to know the laws of your own local land. Now, finally, outside of stackers that genuinely love the design of the coin are stackers that understand you pay more for American Silver Eagles when you buy it, but, and that's the key word, you also get back more for it when you go to sell. Yes, there are cases. This is important to consider because I can already see the argument in the comment section. There will be cases, namely, when everyone and their mother is at the coin shop trying to sell their silver at the same time. Perhaps during a major price spike when coin shops and dealers are buying everything and selling nothing. They may not offer you a premium over spot for your silver. They may not want to buy your silver at all during these time periods.
Selling American Silver Eagles can be lucrative, but it requires market knowledge and timing. These coins offer high liquidity, but maximizing their value takes careful planning. Augusta Precious Metals, a trusted company, can guide you through this process, ensuring that your investments are protected and profitable. Before you consider selling, though, let's assess the risks and rewards of stacking these coins.
They may not offer you a premium over spot for your silver. They may not want to buy your silver at all during these time periods. It is a risk that as a stacker that you have to take. All investment has risk, so does stacking. But 99% of the time, you pay more for a Silver Eagle coin and you get more back for it when you sell it as compared to other coins of the same weight and purity or other products. Often, you hear a lot of complaining about the front end of the transaction premium with American Silver Eagles. They're so expensive, the premium's too high. But for those of you that may be selling your silver, that's another important thing to consider here. If you think there's a reason that you could sell, whether it's short or long term, you do get back a little bit more for them when you sell them during normal periods, and that's food for thought. Now, the obvious disadvantage of stacking American Silver Eagles is that you pay more for them. We've covered that. If you don't have plans to sell a single ounce from your stack, then this advantage of getting more premium back when you sell is probably not important to you.
Stacking American Silver Eagles is a strategy that comes with both risks and rewards. While these coins provide unmatched security in physical assets, understanding the market's volatility is crucial. Balancing these factors is essential to making informed investment decisions. Now, let's look ahead to the 2024 American Silver Eagles and what makes them stand out in today's market.
Now, I appreciate you checking out today's video and listening to some of my thoughts on the American Silver Eagle. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you decided, yeah, these are for me, or maybe they're not for you. But whether they are or not, if you like today's video, please consider giving it a thumbs up or a possible subscription to the channel if you are new. I'll be adding more of these 24 Silver Eagles to my stack as the year goes along with a lot of other silver and gold products. So if that's your style, if that's what you're into, then come on back because we're just getting started. Now, if you're looking for a place to buy gold and silver online and would also like to support my channel and the work I'm doing here, then please consider one of my affiliate links in the video description section of today's video. I'll have them down there. Using any of those links comes at no cost to you, but does provide some additional compensation for me at the end of each month, which does go a long way in helping me continue to bring videos to YouTube now in our 5th year on YouTube. Thanks again, everybody. I'll see you back soon. Have a great week and keep stacking, my friends.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
In conclusion, American Silver Eagles are more than just coins. They're a strategic asset for anyone looking to protect their wealth. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned stacker, these coins offer unparalleled value. To learn more about securing authentic American Silver Eagles and other precious metals, click the link below to explore Augusta Precious Metals offerings. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on safeguarding your financial future.